Hello TV fam. So Sunday, ilang araw na lang? 3. 4 days. Ito nga yung elevator namin, mukhang nakahanda na sa pag-move out namin. May protective covering na. So on Thursday, hopefully by lunchtime, nasa atin na yung susi nung bago nating unit. And abala na tayo nun sa paglilipat. Pero for now, si Clark kasi nag-swimming sa bahay nung lolo't lolo niya. Nag-prepare sila ng inflatable pool. Akala ko dito na sila. Nagdala kasi ng kotse si mommy at daddy. Dilala nila si Clark doon para mag-enjoy. So kami ngayon, medyo kainitan. Anong oras na ba? 4 o'clock, 4:17 ng hapon. At nagkikrave tayo ng mango yummy or mango sago. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa mango yummy.
Yum.
Yes. To buy some mango sago. Yun yung parang halo-halo namin dito. Namin. May halo-halo din naman dito. Kaso, magkano bang halo-halo? More than that, diba?
Yeah, kasi may ice cream yun eh.
Hindi, yung parang isang baso ng halo-halo.
So, hindi ko parang
10 bucks. Ito kasi nasa 8.95, no? Plus tax. Pag umorder ka pala nun through the app, ang price niya mas mahal. Parang nasa 10 or 12.
May mga Uber, DoorDash ka na.
Yeah, tapos magdadagdag pa yun ng delivery fee. So, might as well tikapin na lang natin. Tipid mode tayo.
Sa ngayon, ano pa siya? Medyo nag-build up pa lang yung excitement. Kasi yung dami ko po iniisip.
Sa work?
Hindi. Yung mga kailangan pang gawin. Katambak na kasi yung mga box sa bahay eh. Hindi na ako makapag-pack pa ng box kasi dadagdag pa na sa...
Oo nga, sa stash.
Oh.
Actually, meron pa nga pala ako nakalimutan. Hindi ko pa pala nababayaran yung insurance. Nakabook pa lang, pero hindi ko pa nababayaran.
Anong insurance?
Yung sa bahay natin, that will be effective ng Wednesday upon completion date. Itong Mango Yummy along Westminster lang naman siya.
Tada!
Ang daming tao, grabe, sobrang daming tao.
So, maganda yung angulo nito, mamango siya.
Ay. Nagdedebate kami kung ano bang gagawin natin.
Sino ba dyan yung mga tamad na magluto?
Hindi ka tatama rin pag wala ka pang bili. Yun. Ayun siya.
Ano siyang mango conielo with sago.
Pero sarap nito eh. I would choose this over halo-halo any day.
Me, if this tastes like Philippine mangoes, maybe. Cheers.
Cheers. Baratang si Hailey tsaka si Ryan Trehan.
Ay, Ryan Trehan.
Kasi kung ayaw mo na magluto,
si Cal. Paano?
Kasama natin. Ako parang hindi na makapagtrabaho sa sobrang excitement eh. Doon sa mga Canadian na subscribers natin, pag pumi-pick up kayo, nagbibigay pa ba kayo ng tip? Ikaw, nagbibigay ka pa ng tip?
Pick up?
Oo.
Hindi.
Ako din. Nino-note ko.
Nag-tip ako sa mga DoorDash na lang.
Di ba may service fee na yun?
It doesn't go to the driver. It goes to DoorDash. Yung tip, it goes to the driver.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. The day is July 21. And, eto nga, pupunta tayo mamaya ng lunchtime. Nakabook off na kami dalawa ni Joyce dahil magpipirmahan na tayo. Kumbaga, final bayaran. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal or gaano kabilis yung ganong proseso. Pero dati kasi sa amin parang it took us 30 to 45 minutes. Basically, ang ginagawa naman ng lawyer or notary would be i-discuss niya yung breakdown. Although binigay na rin naman sa amin yung papeles na kung saan nandun yung breakdown. Siguro for clarity lang, no, para kung halimbawa meron ka mga katanungan, pwede mo itanong. Anyway, so yun ang gagawin natin mamayang lunch. And then in the afternoon, I'm not so sure kung merong mga errands kaming gagawin ni Joyce. Sana nga, Wednesday ng hapon makuha natin.
The keys are gonna be yours. You can.
Pero if not, we get the actual keys, ang sabi ng realtor, by 12 noon ng Thursday. I'm just hoping that there won't be any further delays, because we've waited quite a while to get to this point of our arrangement. And although hindi siya naging perfect process, we are here. We're happy that we're here, and we're just looking forward to the good stuff, ika nga. Which is yung mga finally makuha na natin nga yung susi, and makapag-move in na tayo at makamove na tayo. So papunta na nga tayo sa ating notary firm na napili. Pero bakit kailangan ba tayo nandoon?
Personal appearance na pag nag-notarize.
Ganun ba yun?
Yeah.
Oh, yan. So, yun alam natin. Nagtataka kasi ako, bakit hindi pwedeng i-docusign? So, kailangan pala pag notaryo, personal appearance. Less than 3 minutes away.
Yeah.
Yung
Just need to
location.
find parking. I don't know.
Yeah. Huwag daw mag-park sa reserve parking dahil matitikitan. So, yun yung in-email sa atin. Dito na tayo. Eto na.
We'll seal the deal. We will dot the I's and ano yun?
Cross the T's.
Ayun, cross the T's.
O naman ang ibig sabihin nun.
Ah.
Yeah, sa harapan lang to bale ng gas station. Sa malapit. Ito, 8120. May buzzer ba to? Or I think baka pwede ka pumasok. Ayan, ito na. Oo nga. So baka hindi na tayo makapag-record sa loob. Pasok na tayo. Buti nakuha mo yung date. Ako hindi ko nga napansin. Yung completion date medyo napaaga. 17. Sana nga 17. Kaso hindi 17 eh. So babaguhin lang niya. Pero we signed everything. And then ano pang ginawa natin? Binigyan na namin yung backdrop. So ngayon, uwi tayo. Or bibili ka ng food for lunch. Ang ba mo?
Uwi na. Food pa ba?
That is bagas kung gusto mo. Uwi na tayo. One less thing to do. Ilang araw na lang. Parang 2 days na lang, sarado na. 21 na ngayon eh. 22, 23. Grabe. Parang halo-halo na nga yung nararamdaman ko. Excited na hindi mo maintindihan.
Parang ano yung utak ko ngayon eh.
Ano?
Computer na maraming windows na nakabukas. Ano ko iniisip?
Ano ba yan? Trabaho o sa bahay natin?
Same.
Pareho. Bagay, ako din. Gusto ko na nga lang i-drop lahat ng ginagawa ko. Kung pwede lang sana eh. Good morning. Another day, another vlog. It's July 22. And tomorrow is our completion date. Ngayon pa lang, hindi na kami magkanda-ugaga sa paghanda. Pag-iisip ng kung anong kailangan gawin, ano yung magiging sequence. Ewan ko, ganun din ba kayo? Kasi kami ganun kami. Mahirap mang kontrolin, pero you will try to prepare as much as you can. Yung mga kailangan mong bilhin, mga kailangan mong unahin, tanungin, dalin. Yan, lahat ng mga yan ngayon pinag-iisipan natin. So it's currently 8:05 in the morning. Palakas yung pinto. Hindi kasi alam mo, in the past few days nga hindi na tayo masyado nakakapag-upload dahil busy din. sa mga gawain sa office. Madami din kasi nakabakasyon eh. Kayo din ba ganun din ang nararanasan nyo? During summer, dito, talagang sinusulit nila yung bakasyon. Although kami kasi mas prefer namin magbakasyon outside of the country, and so yung summer binibigay na namin sa mga kasama namin sa opisina. Kasi basically, ang gusto natin, bakasyon natin sa Pilipinas. After this move, we are hoping na ma-finalize na natin yung magiging bakasyon natin for next year. Ganun kaaga magpaalam, lalo na if meron kayong fina-follow na seniority sa opisina. Kasi nga dahil hindi tayo senior, ang first na may what do you call this, right for vacation is yung mga may senior sa'yo. Pero yung bakasyon ko kasi, ang paalam ng bakasyon ko is basically isang buwan. Anything na above 3 weeks requires director's approval. Parang may ganong mga patakaran, kumbaga. And so dahil nga merong ganong patakaran, as early as mga siguro first week of June, pinas ko na kagad yung ating request for vacation para maproseso na, maaprubahan, and nakuha naman natin yung approval ng ating bakasyon, no? So we have that already, kaya ako ginawa ko, pagkakuha ko kagad yung approval, pinlat ko kagad talaga siya doon sa team calendar para na sa ganoon malaman ko meron bang magiging conflict doon sa ating bakasyon. Hopefully wala, and I think wala naman, kasi nung before na nagbakasyon ako, nabanggit na nung mga kasama ko sa opisina na yung bakasyon nila usually falls on a summer. Yung mga kaopisina ko nga, majority of them are hindi naman single, no? They have their own partners, pero they don't have kids. Kaya hindi nila sinasabayan ang spring break. Kami, sinasabayan namin yung spring break dahil meron kaming bata na kung saan bakasyon sila noon, and then makakasabay din namin dahil si Joyce din sa school, di ba? Meron din siyang spring break na vacation na dapat din kunin, so might as well take it. So doon namin talaga dini-schedule ang aming bakasyon during spring break. And in the last vlog nga, nabanggit ko na yung schedule ni Calvin. This is basically his last spring break vacation. Dahil ang spring break vacation ng college student is different. Hindi ko alam kung April ba. Basta alam ko hindi sila magkasabay. And so dahil hindi sila magkasabay, hindi na kami makakapag-schedule nito after this year. Kasi wala na. Bale, yun na yung hindi na kami magkakasabay ang schedule. So we're gonna cross the bridge when we get there as to paano na yung mga next vacation namin. Ang importante ngayon is ma-schedule natin yung vacation natin for 2026, which is already in the pipeline. Hello TV fam. So today is the completion date. Kaya pupunta tayo sa ating unit. Mag-walkthrough tayo, mag-check tayo ng mga dapat nating i-check. Hopefully walang problema, walang aberya, and sana smooth sailing na from here on. So 12 o'clock yung ating appointment. Medyo nagkakanda-ugaga or nagkakandaraba na nga tayo. It's 11:51. Malapit lang naman siya. For sure hindi tayo magkakaroon ng problema. So sana lang matapos natin to in 20 minutes. 20 minutes kasi 10 minutes going back. I need to be back dahil may meeting ako ng 1 o'clock. Ikaw ba?
Wala. I'm free today.
Buti pa siya, walang meeting. Pero sana lang makonsider kasi ang plano namin is i-hand over nung realtor namin around close to 12 midnight yung susi. Kasi yun daw yun na nakalagay sa kontrata. Pero hopefully sabihin sana nung realtor ng seller, no, I think you can hand over the keys ngayon para wala nang problema. So ang gagawin natin, nagdala tayo ng mga metro, magsusukat tayo at saka titingnan natin kung saan yung mga tawag dito, connection, connection ng washer, dryer unit, yung parang vent niya, at saka yung mga sukat, lalo na yung sa kama doon sa kwarto nila mga Meet Daddy, para malaman na natin kung ano ba, double size lang ba ang makukuha natin or pwedeng magkasya ang queen. Dito na tayo, we finally arrived. Ayun nga, nagpipintura sila ng parking dito kaliwa. Ano kaya yung realtor ng seller? Ito ata si Mario Ay hindi, ay Volkswagen yung sasakyan niya, hindi ko alam kung siya yan. Hey, there's Mario. Hi. Sylvia here? No?
She's got 4 minutes.
Okay.
Hi Joyce, how are
Okay,
you?
wait.
Oh, what happened?
It's from work, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, hey Sylvia.
Hi, guys.
Hey, long time. Long wait.
Nice day, long time no see.
Yeah, nice to see you, Sylvia. Right.
Okay, well, welcome back.
Yes. Finally.
5 times or something. Okay, so I haven't been upstairs yet, but I was here yesterday and the day before.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I head upstairs. And then what we can do is we can go down later, if you want me to come with you, to see parking and locker again. Yeah.
Okay.
And then, don't know if you've been in touch with your lady, the parking lady?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, we gotta chat.
We only have 20 minutes though. We were impressed with
20 minutes
time.
is a good amount of time.
Because we have a lot of measurements that we need to do upstairs.
You do that when you're done.
Okay.
Yeah, you do that. The keys are gonna be yours. You can do as much as you
oh,
want.
Okay to pass the keys?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Even
but I
better.
thought you wanted me to stay and hang out with you.
Yeah.
That's why I said
I wasn't sure if you wanted the keys tomorrow. That's
no, you can have the keys today. It's
Yeah.
just that I was just saying to Mario that technically I can't let you guys move in.
Yeah.
Only because for insurance purposes.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
no.
Yeah.
That's what I meant. I'm so
Perfect.
sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you wanted me to stay and
No, we just wanted to see you, essentially.
Okay. Yeah, I would love to hang out, but the market's starting to get really busy, and
Okay.
as agents are just all over the place. So.
Okay, perfect.
All right. I guess it's your house now, so.
Go ahead, bring in your shoes. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
It's clean yesterday, so I want to make sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, perfect.
It looks very different now. It's empty.
All right. Patch up. Oh, they patch up the hole.
Buyers rescind. My buyers rescind.
Yeah.
And then walk them through the stock.
I'll proceed. Oh, yes. May ilaw siya. Okay. This is what we need. There's the vent.
I've been tethering, when I'm just sitting in areas where I don't have internet. So
Yeah.
that's why I think I'm just using up all of my internet.
Got it. So are we going here?
Yeah, this is going to be
Okay, so no keys here.
John. Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't think you need a key. No.
Okay,
right?
no
Okay.
need. Okay, that's good.
Oh, storage locker, perfect.
No keys. Oh, this one has a key. Okay.
Yeah, so that might be the same one.
The same one.
Yeah, you want
Okay.
me to test it for you?
Here we go.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so pretty much the
Same.
ways to get in. And then parking.
151 and 52, right?
Yeah, 151. 152,
Okay.
which is right here.
Okay.
And then the other one was 107.
Right over
which
there.
I believe is, right over. And that's the one you're renting out, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
She's apparently a really lovely lady.
Yes, we spoke twice already. She's
okay.
pretty nice. Yeah.
And I get it because in the evening sometimes it's so people actually park with
Park?
visitors.
Oh, okay.
I see
All right,
why. Okay,
let's
so
try this. Oh no, I
I have a feeling it's going to probably be one of the ones in the bag. You gotta label it, okay?
All right.
And yeah.
The light should be here. That's it. Oh, that's the light. Only light.
Oh,
I guess.
weird. Okay. Oh,
And that's
God,
what-
I want this. Okay,
All right.
that's it.
97.
Yeah, so it's actually like kind of going an angle. Now, what I would do, because I'm just very anal on my own strata,
Got it, got it.
I would probably
Cost, right?
say something, right? Send your strata manager a phone
Yeah.
and say, hey, listen, like this is a, you know,
A common area, supposedly. Yeah.
I can barely get into my.
Plus, the light is busted.
And the light's busted. Yeah.
yeah.
So you're right. Okay, good, because it wasn't this dark before.
Yeah, I kind of like
Yeah.
remember. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
So this stuff is like one of these.
I
probably.
have no idea. People probably don't care, but I think I would just because.
Yeah,
You know,
well, he's trying to move in.
yeah, totally, right?
Okay, so
Okay.
And
Sounds
you
good.
get a lock. Sorry, this is not. I don't have a key for this, so I can put that there, but just don't lock.
Don't lock it.
Okay,
No.
you've been warned.
Okay.
Okay, because yeah, I don't have a key.
All right, perfect.
Just
Sounds
doing
good.
it like that. Yeah.
All right.
I think they gave me a key, but they cleaned and threw it out yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. Garbage is
Yeah,
there.
garbage recycling is there.
All right.
This will probably be your way in and out.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
And then
Oh, I didn't bring the fob. We're unable to like test. Oh, I'll test it later. That's fine.
honestly, if
It
there's
should be
any
fine.
issues,
Yeah.
you just call me,
Okay,
okay? Or
perfect.
Get Mario to call me. And then I think car washing station is just right in the center there.
Okay.
Hello.
Perfect.
And here are your keys.
All right.
you can try your mailbox.
Oh yeah, you might as well check the mailbox. I
Okay.
don't think they have anything with paint.
Okay.
Do you think you would want them, or you?
I can go ahead and check. You know,
okay, 'cause if
whatever.
you don't want them, then I can
You
take
can
them
remove
right
it?
now.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's fine.
but I think it
Is
might
it for
be.
walls and then?
No, I didn't even look, but I would assume it is.
Are they new or?
You know what? I don't mind going back up with you.
Okay.
I don't even bother checking it.
Got it. Okay, works.
Yeah, and you have three, so.
Yeah.
We're good to
Sounds
go.
good. All right.
So let's just quickly head upstairs, and then, like I said, if you don't want this cans, I can just take
Okay.
them off.
Okay, let's go ahead and check.
Yeah. 'Cause are you
If it's new, I can take it. If it's old, like yeah.
Of course,
I mean,
yeah.
it's not usable.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess you'll just know by carrying it.
Grandparents' room.
Yeah, meron sa taas. Kailangan palitan. Itong ano. Kailangan natin yung
Closet.
closet.
Measure closet GP room. Nagawa mo na ba yan? Measure main entrance closet. Yan ba yan?
Can you measure indoor 57 inches?
Okay. I wrote it here sa floor plan.
And then yung lalim niya is lalim maximum 25 tapos slash 29.
Okay.
Tapos yung height ito yung water and dryer 80.
20?
80 inches height.
Okay.
And then, ito sa kabila.
Utility?
Check mo may hot water.
Meron. Yung sa
Okay, this one is 25 then.
25 ano yan tawag?
Inches. Utility closet.
Ano tawag doon? Height?
Lalim. Yep. I can measure the pan. 26.
Ano tawag dyan? Length?
Diameter 26.
Diameter?
Diameter should be 22 inches.
Okay.
Sa utility?
So, wala yung 22, 26. Yung anong sinabi?
Oo. The opening?
Closet opening?
Oo. 47. Okay guys, ikot lang namin kayo mabilisan. Ito yung ilaw. Gumagana ba tong ilaw? Chinek mo?
Hindi.
Where do you turn this on? Ito. Okay. Gumagana. Ito yung, na-measure mo na yung distance nito, babe?
Ng mga ilaw?
Yung reading light?
Oo.
Okay, so that one is good.
7 inches between the lights.
Okay, and then yung kabila din, na measure mo na yun. This side. Yeah, closet. Ay, gusto ko pa sanang magtagal, pero hindi na kami makapagtagal. Dahil nga, uy, ano to? Exhaust. Dahil nga, may meeting pa ako. Sunod na lang natin. So, may curtain rod ba sa kabila? Did you check? May curtain rod? Hindi kailangan bumili.
Saan kabila?
So, washroom. Meron. Okay. Did you check na rin yung water dito?
Hindi pa. Doon lang sa Masters.
Masters.
Hindi ba pag meron yung isa, meron na lahat?
Hindi. Yung dapat mo i-check. Anyway, mag-double check muna tayo. Natapusin ko muna yung pag-check natin dito and then balikan ko na lang kayo ulit mamaya. So, ngarag-ngarag tayo. Kailangan natin bumalik sa bahay dahil may meeting pa tayo ng 1:00. Pero ang good thing is, nasa amin na yung susi. So mamayang gabi, pwede na kami mag-umpisang magpintura.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love